students, in last period I taught you meaning of coordination and coordination the essence of management, and coordination is needed to perform all the functions of management and all the levels of management. This topic discussed in previous period in previous lecture. Now today I am going to teach you the new topic, importance or need of coordination. As you know students, why the coordination is so important for a business, for a organization. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you think without coordination, all the activities are performed in smoothly and accurately in the organization? Answer is no. Because every manager need to performing coordination, and through the coordination, the manager tries to bind up all the efforts of people who are working in the organization in common direction, in common uh, goals. Let us explain. I explain how the importance of coordination for the organization and why we need coordination in the organization. As you seen here, there are three importance of coordination. First is growth in size. As you know students, when the business is start by any आपका businessman, then it shows a small business and it shows like a point. वो एक पॉइंट की तरह एक छोटा, एक कह लीजिएगा बहुत छोटा सा बिजनेस होता है, एंड स्लोली he perform better activities in the organization, and slowly he expand their activities like this second circle. I means कि अब बिजनेस छोटे से इतना बड़ा हो जाता है. Firstly, this is the business. Slowly he expand their activities. Now it become the size of business up to here, यानी कि bigger हो गया than the previous, and slowly he now grow in the आपका this size. As you know student, when the size is grows, the various activities are in grow. The various activities are in grow, just like increase the production, increase the number of production, increase the employees in the organization, increase the departments in the organization, etc. Increase the number of pupils also. So various activities are in growth, are in कह लीजिएगा extended in the organization. Student, as you imagine, when the activities are less, then we have need a little coordination, a less coordination. And when the activities are grow, the activities are expanded, जब activities और functions बढ़ जाते हैं, then we have required the more coordination to bind up all the efforts effectively so that an organization can achieve their goals. It's clear students. Now second is functional departmentation. As you seen here, these are the departments just like production departments, purchasing departments, sales departments, HR departments, finance department, etc. In an organization, these departments are execute and they are working, but every department have focus on their activities. Suppose that production department focus on the production of goods only, finance department focus on the आपका finance activities, Purchasing department focus on the purchase the raw materials, machineries, inputs, etc. HR department focus only आपका appointing the employees. Okay, so these departments are performing work according only achieving their department's goal. Now there is a problem in the organization if all the departments are performing their work according to their aim, then how to complete the organizational goals, उस पूरे गोल्स को कैसे हम अचीव करें, दिस इज ए प्रॉब्लम. सो with the help of coordination with the help of coordination we join we wind up all the activities of all departments in a common threads and in common direction, that is achievement of organizational goal. So where various departments are working, then we have required coordination to bind up all the activities of those departments in one thread. Okay students, now third is specialization. As you know students, in an organization there are various experts are working there. एंड आप जानते हैं बेटा कि एक्सपर्ट अपने आप में एक हाई प्रोफाइल पर्सन होता है, एक वेल एजुकेटेड पीपल्स होता है जो अपने फील्ड में अपने एरिया में एक हायर अथॉरिटी होता है. तो एज यू नो कि एवरी एक्सपर्ट considered himself कि only he is the person who take the right decision and who take the आपका right के लीजिएगा performing the right activities in the organization. In this way, when every expert feeling this, so there is a problem in the organization कि जो एक्सपर्ट है, मान लीजिएगा जो फर्स्ट एक्सपर्ट्स है, ये सेकंड एक्सपर्ट्स की ओपिनियन से सहमत नहीं होगा. सेकंड जो आपका एक्सपर्ट्स है वो थर्ड व्यक्ति, तो थर्ड एक्सपर्ट्स पर्सन है उसकी ओपिनियन से एग्री नहीं होगा. इन दिस वे देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट अमंग द आपका एक्सपर्ट्स इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. And this is natural because every expert have a ego and no one compromise with their ego. So there is a problem कि when a conflict among the आपका expertise, so how in this case the organization can achieve their goals, their objectives. So students listen clearly. With the help of coordination among the आपका various expertise, we can remove the आपका conflicts and we can get the maximum benefit of all the आपका expertise for the organization. Okay students, so these are the importance